Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you have this main issue where you're trying to search something in ChatGPT and it's not working, then the easiest solution is for you to go to the three dot section and then from here go to settings. Then from here you're going to search for cache and then you're going to delete browsing history and then make sure that this option is selected. There's no need for the other ones, and then make sure that it's at all time, and then you're going to delete your data. Once you do that, you're going to click on this piece of puzzle right here, and then manage extensions, and then simply you're going to disable and turn off each extension that you have already turned on, just by simply clicking like this, because sometimes the extensions might affect the usage of ChatGPT. Finally, the last solution is for you to go and switch to your incognito mode and then use ChatGPT from here, because sometimes it might need to be logged in again, and this should probably solve it. And finally, if you have any VPN that is turned on, then disable it because that also might affect the functionality of ChatGPT. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.